I can't believe I entrusted you idiots with this. Because of you, we had to destroy a perfectly good moon base. Look, with our brainwashed hero, we won't need that moon base. Besides, Quark got what he deserved. So just shut up and let me do this. You'll have your planet, and I'll have my Dynamax particles. Got it? Good. Now, let me finish this. Cut the crap! We already know how this ends. My friends are looking for me as we speak. Shockwave, do us a favor and shut him up. Affirmative. The brain erasing process has begun. Soon your mind will be a blank slate. Although your physical dexterity and your ability to follow orders, answer simple questions, along with your combat data will remain intact. Right, boys? I am surrounded by idiots. Shockwave, Soundwave, you both know what to do. Do not come to me till our hero is a mindless slave. Let's see those heroes take on one of their own, if they have the heart to do it. Soon, I'll have enough Dynamax particles to revive my master. I've waited a long time for this.
Memory erasure 95% complete. Detail 99.
Ah, perfect. You've completed him, and you've even got the Mechanite armor on him. Great job, both of you. Now, slave, obey my command. I will never answer to you. Still fighting us, are we? Well then, time to up the ante a little.